Hi, I'm Anjali from Diligence Certification. If you're looking to expand your electrical or electronic products into over 50 countries, then you need to know about CB certification. In this video, I will explain what it is, why it is crucial, and how to get started. Let's dive in. What is CB certification? CB certification, part of the IECEE CB scheme, is an international system for testing and certifying the safety of electrical and electronic products. It allows the manufacturers to test their products once and recognize in more than 50 countries and streamlining the process to enter global market. This mutual recognition saves time, reduce cost and ensure consistent product safety standards worldwide. Why is CB certification important? Key benefits: global market access. A single CB certificate can open multiple doors to international markets. Second, cost and time efficiency. Consumer confidence. Demonstrate your commitment to product safety and compliance with international standards. How to obtain CB certification? Process involved. Step 1. Application submission. Provide necessary technical documentation and a list of manufacturing sites. Step 2. Product testing. Submit a sample of your product to a CB testing laboratory. Step 3. CB test report. The CBTL issues a detailed report based on your test result. Step 4. CB test certificate. NCB reviews the report and, if compliant, issues the CB test certificate. Step 5. National certification. Submit the CB test report and certificate to the relevant NCBs for national approval if required. Who should pursue CB certification? CB certification is ideal for manufacture of electrical and electronic products, components and parts used in electrical equipments. Products intended for market requiring proof of safety compliance. Common challenges and tips. Incomplete documentation. Ensure all technical files are thorough and up to date. Selecting the right CBTL. Choose a laboratory recognized under the CB scheme. Understanding national differences. Tips for success. Collaborate closely with NCB and CBTL. Stay informed about updates to IEC standards and national regulation. Maintain clear and organized records of all certification related documents. At Diligence Certification, we are here to guide you from start to finish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more compliance tips.